Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to our channel. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, 2025. This is your daily Nasdaq futures recap. Market news. It was a busy day on the economic calendar. At 10 a.m., existing home sales data came out, followed by a speech from FOMC member Bowman. Then at 11 a.m., we got the Kansas City Fed Composite and manufacturing index numbers. And at 11:30 a.m., the Fed's 4-week bill auction results were released. After the closing bell, all eyes were on Intel, which was set to report earnings, a key event for the tech sector. Overnight session from 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. The market opened higher at 6 p.m. on October 22nd, recovering from yesterday's Tesla-driven pullback. Our swing robot started the session strong with a long position. Around 8 p.m., momentum faded and the market began to dip. Our robot flipped quickly from long to short. By 8:15 p.m., that short trade was closed, and we were long again just as the Asian markets opened, helping lift Nasdaq steadily higher. By 10:30 p.m., buyers stepped in, pushing our long position to an unrealized gain of over $200. But around midnight, the uptrend lost steam, trimming those gains to about $150. From there, the market softened and drifted sideways into the night. At 3:30 a.m., our system opened a short, but that position got stopped out about 45 minutes later. By 4:30 a.m., it re-entered short once more as the setup reset for the morning. Morning session from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. The morning kicked off quietly, but by 7 a.m., Nasdaq began to slide again. Pretty much like yesterday, our short position started performing, hitting $90, then $150 unrealized profit. By 8:30 a.m., we were sitting on $245 in unrealized profit. Around 9 o'clock, short sellers began to take profit, and the market bounced. Our robot closed the short with $200 gain and flipped to long. But that bounce didn't last. Within 10 minutes, the market dropped again. So the long was closed for a small $50 loss, and we switched back to short. Then came the 9:30 a.m. U.S. market open. Volatility kicked in. Nasdaq climbed, and our robot caught the move beautifully, bringing total realized profit to $318. By 9:35 a.m., Tesla was rebounding from yesterday's sharp sell-off, helping lift the broader Nasdaq. Just before 11 a.m., momentum strengthened after the KC Fed Manufacturing Index. Our system locked in more gains, with realized profit holding around $250 and a new long in play. At 11:25 a.m., after several quick trades, realized profit hovered around $240. Then at 11:30 a.m., before week bill auction data came out, volatility spiked, and our long was stopped out for a $50 loss, bringing total realized profit to $200. A short was opened next, then flipped to long as the market chopped sideways. By 12 o'clock noon, Nasdaq touched 25,100 and stabilized, with our long showing an unrealized profit of $103. Afternoon session. At 1:05 p.m., Nasdaq uptrend weakened. Our robot took profits on the long and went short. Minutes later, the market reversed, so the short was closed for a small loss and flipped back to long. Between 1:30 and 2 p.m., a few small losing trades came through, leaving realized profit steady at $125. From 2:30 p.m. to the close, the market barely moved. Volume dried up and volatility faded. At 3:50 p.m., futures dipped again. Our long was closed. and a short was opened just before the closing bell. After our session, once the closing bell rang, Intel's earnings hit the wires. The stock jumped briefly, sparking a few quick trades. By the end of the day, our swing robot locked in a total profit of $1, carrying a short position into after hours. At 4:30 p.m., Nasdaq began to move up. Our short position was closed. Our robot entered a long position. Summary. Overall, it was a slightly up day for the Nasdaq. Even though the market stayed quiet, our algorithmic swing system remained disciplined, flexible, and purely price-driven. No emotions, just execution. By sticking to the rules, cutting losses fast, and taking profits when they appear, the system ended the day gain over $101, a testament to the power of consistent, data-driven trading. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you enjoy these daily algorithmic trading recaps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more updates on the Nasdaq futures and our trading journey. See you all tomorrow.